dear student, welcome to my class. Easy Maths, JYOTHI.I.S.B.Sc. It's a class for 7th standard students, CBSE, NCERT syllabus and also for Karnataka State students. In that the chapter 2 is fractions and decimals. In that we are solving the exercise 2.3. Before solving this, let us know some introduction about this. Multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. In this you are going to study about how we have to multiply a fraction by another fraction. For example, that is if you consider any two fractions, that is 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Okay, we have to multiply these two fractions. While doing this multiplication, the main thing is the product of these fractions is equals to product of fractions is equals to the product of the numerators, product of numerator by product of the denominators. Understood, students? While doing the multiplication of the fractions, we have to multiply the product, keep it in the numerator. We have to multiply the numerators by multiply the denominators. Product of numerator means that is equals to 2 into 3 by 3 into 5. Okay, 3 2s are 6 by 3 5s are 15. Understood, students? How we are going to multiply? Let us consider one more example for that. That is equals to 4 by 7 into 2 by 9. Now, by using this rule, the product of the numerators are divided by the product of the denominators. The product of the numerators are 4 2s are 8 and divided by the product of the denominator is 7 9s are 63. Okay, while finding the multiplication of the fraction by a fraction, what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerators and that is divided by the multiply the denominators. Okay, in this let us study something, that is what happens when you know that you studied in the previous class that there are fractions. Those are type of fractions are proper fraction and improper fraction. Proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay, students, let me tell me about what are proper and improper fractions. Yes, in the proper fractions, the numerator is less than the denominator. This is a proper fraction. Improper fractions means in case of improper fractions, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, students, you came to know that what are proper fractions. In the proper fractions, always the numerator is less than the denominator. In case of the improper fraction, the numerator is always greater than the denominator. Okay, let us study about when a proper fraction is multiplied by another proper fraction. When proper fraction is multiplied by, what happens? Multiplied by a proper fraction. Okay, what happens when a proper fraction is multiplied by a proper fraction? Let us know this. Here, let us give an example for proper fraction, that is equals to 1 by 5. This is a proper fraction. When this proper fraction is multiplied by another proper fraction, consider another proper fraction is 2 by 3. The product of these two proper fraction and proper fraction is 2 by 3 5s are 15. Okay, what we got? 2 by 15. Always the product of this proper fraction is less than the each fractions. For example, the product of these two proper fraction is, that is 2 by 15, is less than that each of the fractions. For example, the product is 2 by 15. This is always less than by, for the first fraction is 1 by 5, and this 2 by 15 is always less than by 2 by 3. Understood, students? When a proper fraction is multiplied by another proper fraction, its product is always less than by each of the fraction. That means the product is less than by 1 by 5 and the product is less than 2 by 3. Okay. What happens when improper fraction? When improper fraction is multiplied by improper fraction is multiplied by improper fraction, what happens? Let us study. Okay. Give an example for improper fraction, that is equals to 5 by 2 is an improper fraction. One more example for that is equals to 3 by 2. Okay, the numerator should be always greater, isn't it? That is 3 by 2. Both are improper fractions. When these two are get multiplied, 5 3s are 15 by 4. The product obtained here is 2 by 15. Here, the product obtained here is 15 by 4. This product is always greater than each of the fractions. Okay, the product is 15 by 4 is greater than the 5 by 2. And 15 by 4 is greater than 3 by 2. Okay? Understood, students? What happens when improper fraction is multiplied by improper fraction? The product is always greater than each of the product. That 15 by 4 is greater than 5 by 2. And 15 by 4 is greater than 3 by 2. Understood, students? Next, one more condition. That is, when a proper fraction is multiplied by an improper fraction. When a proper fraction multiplied by an improper fraction, what happens? When proper, give an example for a proper fraction, that is equals to 1 by 3. When it is multiplied by an improper fraction, that is equals to 5 by 2. The product is, that is 5 by 6. This 5 by 6 is always greater than, this 5 by 6 is greater than the proper fraction this 5 by 6 is less than the proper fraction, that is less than the proper fraction is 1 by 3, and it is 5 by 6 is greater than the improper fraction. Okay, students, what happens when a proper fraction is multiplied by an improper fraction? Their product is less than the proper fraction. This 5 by 6 is less than the proper fraction, and this product 5 by 6 is greater than the improper fraction, that is 5 by 2. Understood, students? This is for your understanding purpose. In the higher classes you will understand more. Okay, this is for your knowledge only. Next, exercise 2.3. First way, find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 3 by 5, 4 by 3. Let us take the first one. 1 by 4 of means you have to put into, that is equals to 1 by 4. We already learned that when a fraction is multiplied by a fraction, we have to find the product of the numerator, that is equals to 1 into 1 is 1, the product divided by the fractions, the new denominator fraction, that is equals to 4 4 is 16. Okay, students, the product of the denominators is 16. The same way, 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. Okay, students, here the product of the numerator is 3, the product of the denominator is 20. Okay, next, C1, this is one A1, this is B1, and this is C1, that is 1 by 4 into 4 by 3, that is equals to, we have to find the product of the numerators, that is 1 into 4 divided by 3 into 4 is 12. Okay, you got it? Let's move on to the next problem. In that, first one is 1 by 7 into 2 by 9. Okay, the product of the numerator is 1 2 is 2, divided by 7, 9 is 63. Next, B1, that is 1 by 7 into 1 by 7 of means into, you have to put, students, into 6 by 5 is equals to 1 6 is 6 divided by 35. The same one, 1 by 7 into 3 by 5 is equals to 3 1s are 3, 7 5s are 35. Okay, students, you got it? How we have to multiply the fractions? Okay, let us move on to the next problems. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. Second line 2.3, multiply and reduce to lowest form. First one, 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Second one, 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. Third one, 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. Fourth one, 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. Fifth one, 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. Sixth one, 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. Okay, students, what we have to do? Multiply and reduce to lowest form. That is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Here one proper fraction is given. Another one is mixed fraction. First convert this into improper fraction. That is equals to 2 by 3 into 2. 2 by 3 is 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2. That is equals to 8 by 3. Okay. While doing the multiplication, we have to find the product of the numerator. That is 8 2 60. That is 2 into 8 divided by 3 into 3 is 9. What they had given, reduce to lowest form. We have to reduce it to lowest form. For that, we have to find the common multiple for this. That is equals to 9 divides by 3, and also is it 16 divides? No. 16 by 9. Is it possible? No. It's an odd number and it is even number. Therefore, it is not possible to reduce. That's all. Now let us move on to our next problem. That is equals to, first multiply the numerators 2 into 7. For your convenience, I am writing this. And here like this, that is equals to 14 by 63. Okay students, here 14 by 63 is we got. Is it possible to reduce? Yes, which both are having the common factors. Which is that? That one is 7. First 14 is divided by 7. And 63 is also divided by 7. That is equals to 7 2s are divided by 7 9s are. Okay students, you got it? How we reduce? We have to take the common divisor for both the numerator and the denominator. Highest common divisor. Here I got 7 divided by 14 divided by 7. Here I got 2. And 63 divided by 7 is 9. And here to find the fractions, multiplication product of the fractions, 3 into 6 divided by 8 into 4, that is equals to 18 by 32. Is it possible? Let us check. Starts from 2 to 9. Here it goes. It's not a greatest, but let us check for this. It is divided by 2 and it is also divided by 2. That is equals to 2 9s are divided by 2 1s are 2 6s are. 9 by 16 here got. Both of them are not having any common divisor. Keep it there. And then fourth problem, 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. That is equals to product of the numerators 9 into 3 divided by 5 into 5. That is equals to 27 divided by 25. Okay. Do they have any common divisors? No. Therefore, it is not possible to reduce to lowest form. Next, here 15 divided 15 means 15 into 1 divided by 3 into 8. That is equals to 15 by 24. Okay, now you can tell me which is the highest common divisor for this. That is equals to 3. Here also 3. When both of them are divided by 3, 15 by 3 is equals to 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are. That is equals to 5 by 8. Next 11 3s are 11 into 3 divided by 2 into 10. That is 11 3s are 33 divided by 2 into 10 is 20. Here it is an odd number 33. It's an even number. Both of them are not dividing by any common divisor. Understood students? Okay. Let us come to the end of the class. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe, do share and do like. Thank you for watching students. Okay, bye bye.